DaVinci Resolve versus Pika Labs, two breakthrough video platforms. One big question: which one truly reigns in 2025? On one side, DaVinci Resolve, Hollywood-grade color, edit, and VFX in one. On the other, Pika Labs, next-gen AI video creation tailored for social and indie creators. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive straight into what really matters. Each round awards points, and by the end, you'll see which tool takes the crown. The winner might surprise you. Okay, before we throw these two in the ring, let me show you exactly what we're comparing. We've got price, performance, features and creativity, platform and access, target audience, and, of course, AI tools. So, stick around, because some of these categories might surprise you. First up, price. Now, let me tell you, DaVinci Resolve takes kind of the classic software route. You pay upfront, like a one-time payment of $295, and then it's yours forever. No weird monthly fees popping up on your statement. But yeah, that chunk of change all at once isn't everyone's favorite, especially if you're just dabbling. Now, Pika Labs slides in with that freemium vibe. Use it free for basic stuff, and then it's a subscription if you need the good stuff. It feels affordable month to month, though heads up, if you keep using it, those subs can add up. Still, if money's tight or you hate commitments, Pika's the winner here. Let's talk performance, because nobody wants to sit around waiting for a render, right? DaVinci Resolve, honestly, it's a beast. If you've got a beefy PC or Mac, it chews through 4K footage, throws pro effects at you, just zooms. Downside? It'll absolutely eat up your hardware. So if you're rocking a potato laptop, ouch. Now, Pika Labs, it's web-based, super slick, and basically instant for those quick AI-generated clips. Thing is, you're locked to pretty short videos, and 1080p's your max. So if we're talking raw power, DaVinci wins by a landslide. Next, features and creativity. DaVinci Resolve, oh man, full editing suite, color grading, audio, visual FX, and all kinds of AI tools. Like, it really is the industry standard. It's deep, maybe scary at first, but once you learn it, wow. Now, Pika Labs is all about the fun AI magic. Text to video, dropping objects in, quick edits, super creative, quick updates, but, if you want detailed timelines or serious post-production, it's not gonna cut it. So this round, DaVinci snags it again. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. DaVinci Resolve Studio actually grades thousands of Hollywood films every year. Like real blockbuster stuff. Crazy, right? Moving on, platform and access. DaVinci's old school cool. You install it on your machine, Windows, Mac, heck, even Linux, and it's all local. Reliable, fast, but also, yeah, your drive's gonna groan when you install it. Pika Labs, super modern. It's all in your browser or the iOS app. Just hop in, start creating. You literally don't install anything. So if you want that instant anywhere access, Pika Labs deserves the nod this time. Okay, who's actually supposed to use these things? DaVinci is built for pros. We're talking film studios, big agencies, anyone who calls themselves an editor. Powerful, but let's be real, maybe a bit much for casual TikTokers. Now, Pika Labs, it's tailor-made for social media teams, small businesses, indie creators, anyone who wants to whip up cool content fast. So even though it's slick, if you need serious footage and controls, DaVinci grabs the win here. Finally, AI tools. Now, DaVinci Resolve's got some wild integrated AI. It'll detect scenes, match colors, automate edits, track stuff across frames. It basically makes your life easier if you already know what you're doing. But it's not like you type a prompt and boom, you get a video. Enter Pika Labs. Just tell it what you want, add objects, switch scenes, and instant AI magic. Thing is, you kind of lose control over the nitty-gritty details. So for pro AI enhancements, DaVinci wins. But for quick, funky AI creations, Pika is super tempting. Let's pop all those categories onto a radar chart, and yeah, DaVinci Resolve absolutely dominates on features, performance, and Pro Tools. But Pika Labs, it's no slouch. All about ease of use, price, and just wild creative speed. Honestly, it's a tight run in access and AI, if you favor a quick inspiration over total control. All right, so here's my totally honest take. If you want something that can handle literally any video project, and you're not scared off by the pro-level depth, DaVinci Resolve is still unmatched in 2025. It's pretty much the king of post-production. But if you're all about making short, creative, AI-driven content for social, or you want something you can just jump into instantly, Pika Labs is awesome, especially for rapid experimentation or fun campaigns. Both tools are cool, just depends on your vibe. So, still trying to figure out what's best for you? If you want industry-grade edits, go DaVinci. If you crave fast AI creations, fire up Pika Labs. Give them both a spin and let me know what